Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Walter, an author of Recovering from Mental Illness blog at HealthyPlace. Today I'm going to speak on rebuilding relationships after gambling addiction. Well, this can be quite difficult as I had learned. A few months into my recovery journey, I learned that it's not only money that I lost during my gambling addiction years, but also valuable relationships with my loved ones. I had caused my loved ones so much hurt that they found it difficult to trust me again. And this built a wall between us that also caused me a communication breakdown. Well, I'll go straight to what I've learned during with my experience and the advice I would give a person who's going through the same. Well, first, we need to understand what gambling addiction causes to relationships. Well, many people may think that gambling addiction only affects the person who's gambling, but no, that's not the case. It ripples out and affects the loved ones and the people around that person. All the manipulation and lies I had told and the broken promises caused a lot of hurt to my loved ones. I'll go straight to the strategies I took to rebuild my relationship after gambling addiction. The first strategy I took was taking charge. I took full responsibility of my actions and came clean on all the money I'd lost and the debt I incurred. I also apologized to the emotional toll I had caused to my loved ones, and that should be done sincerely and with no excuses. The second step I took was I told them on how I am willing to change and I was open to answer the questions they would ask me about my gambling addiction. This opens conversations and you you should have more honest conversations with them so that you can gain their trust back as you had caused the communication breakdown earlier, as I had said. So the last step I took was gaining their trust and also taking charge and going through the recovery process. Well, personally, I told my loved ones, that is my family members and friends, that I would like to stop gambling addiction a couple hundred times. And also, the time that I was going through my recovery process, they also took it like I always say this, so they didn't trust me that much. So how would you earn their trust? Well, that is through taking the steps you had outlined through for your recovery process, and always stay committed to that path, and then they'll see that you are committed to that path and the support will follow. And lastly, rebuilding relationships after gambling addiction, as I had said, is quite difficult, but it is not impossible. With commitment and honesty, you could go through that path and rebuild your relationships. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye.